Net gas last week traded with little swings and closed precisely with a doji at the same zone at 3.4. Most importantly, it has breached the critical milestone at 3.2 but failed to sustain that and bounce back sharp. Can we say that the lows are done? Can we expect natural gas to trade in this retracement channel like this for a while, delivering higher lows and higher highs here? Or it is going to breach below $3 now? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. Also, this is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates, and this is the only channel to deliver 2 updates a day for natural gas specifically. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, such that you can profit across the sessions. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First on the weekly chart. Now see, what did we discuss here? If you notice, see $3 is a zone which is a critical support now for gas to break below. First, second attempt, third attempt. But every time it is created higher highs. This time what is happening after the drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. Now it is ideally created a double top with slight incline. And when you see it has delivered higher highs, it is also delivering higher lows here. And now we know 3.2 and 3 are the two levels which it has to breach in order to confirm a complete reversal. Because once it starts to trade below 3, we will look forward to further lows towards 2.78, 2.6 and 2.5 levels. But right now I can say it is yet delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now when you see the candles here, see this is identically symmetrical. Can you see this? If you divide this into two right here, just draw a line here in the middle and see this one green one red, and then symmetrical moves here, symmetrical moves. What preceded this was a good drop, what could follow is a good rise. Let's wait for this to confirm, for natural gas to confirm bullishness here. It is pretty important for gas to trade beyond 3.5 and 3.6 levels. Once it trades beyond 3.5, you can say the bulls are back, you can expect 3.6. And once it trades beyond 3.6, stay bullish for 3.72 and 3.8 levels, then critical milestone which gets has to break in order to confirm a further rise. Stochastic here is trading bearish. The MACD, if you look at the MACD on the weekly charts, it is crossed over here at the top, and since then it is trading bearish here. Though it is not that it cannot scale to the highs further, but this is coming after a good retracement, so downside is more evident here. Now what will happen? See, if you look at it as closed at a doji, and if it opens lower and trades below 3.34 and 3.3, the possibility of a greater down move will increase in the coming week, where we can see $3 levels. But right now it is too early to conclude with that. The RSI is trading flat here. Coming to daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see, first of all, a crossover here is on the sell side. 3.6 definitely critical milestone, and 3.8 the ultimate one. These two levels net gas has to breach, and then it can scale beyond 4. Now see what's happening here after the drop retracement. Now since this crossover, it is trading in this bearish channel here. There are a couple of lows here, first at around 3.2 and then below 3. So now either it has to break out beyond 3.485. Once it trades beyond 3.5, it is possibly heading towards 3.6, the first milestone, and 3.7 to the next, and 3.8 the third. These three levels it has to break. What will happen beyond this? Possibly it could move towards 4. That is the next milestone I would love net gas to breach. That is a critical level now for net gas to breach beyond. Stochastic, after hitting the lows, now rising. This is a supportive sign for further advancement, further up move here. When you look at the MACD here, see, MACD also has retraced. It is willing to cross over. I will wait for this to cross over and confirm. And this also confirms that first let it stay beyond 3.4, and once it trades beyond 3.4, expect 3.44, 3.48, 3.5. Once 3.5 is taken, you can just stay bullish here in natural gas. RSI now is starting to bounce back, is starting to rise. On the 4-hour chart, now look at the 4-hour charts here. See this, and now it is trying to bounce back, it is trying to rise. Now if you connect the lows here, you can find out these are the lows, you can find out these are the second lows here. So this time it has bounced back from the median here, not hitting the lows of this, not hitting these two lows. It has bounced back, and that is why we can see this should be, or this could be termed a reversal. But now it is very important because we have seen a double top here. It is very important for natural gas to break beyond 3.5. That is the only level beyond which we can say now it is turning bullish. We can expect it to move towards 3.55, 3.6, and then 3.7 to 3.8 levels. Possibility is there. On the 4-hour charts, though the MACD has moving averages have crossed over here, these are trading bearish, but it can reverse again and cross over for a buy. Wait for this crossover. The stochastic on the 4-hour charts have dropped sharp looking downwards. The MACD, when you see the MACD here is like crossed over here, it is looking upwards, trading bullish. The RSI, when you see, this is placed comfortably. Now the last one, the monthly charts. Now it is important to note on the monthly charts what it has done so far. See, when you look at the last few months move, first the base here, then the rise, the retracement, then the retracement, then bigger rise, bigger retracement. Till here it's fine. See, every rise followed with a retracement. Even bigger the rise, bigger the retracement is followed. Now what has happened in the last couple of months or so? We have seen greater swings here. Look at the candles, what it has created. First a green candle, then a closer around the, after hitting the peak, it is close around the same zone. Yes, at this point itself, I have mentioned 4.2, 4.4 has to be achieved. Hitting 4.2, price is reverse. Now, this time it is starting off on a bearish note. It has hit the lows. I will wait for it to trade beyond 3.6. Once it trades beyond 3.6, 3.8 and 4 is a must here. 3.8 is ideally the next milestone which I would love natural gas to break. Because what will happen here, see, it has hit higher lows. It will turn green and it will keep itself within this greener zone where this could be the first greener candle and the coming months might stay in green as well. Right now, I will say it is not suggestive of such a greater bounce. But when you look at the moving averages, these have converged and these are on the verge of a crossover. Let's wait for these to bounce back. If you see the stochastic, this has hit the bottom. The MACD here has crossed over at the bottom and it is trading in green. When you see the candle sizes, it is diminishing in size, suggestive that the bullishness has got diminished, but it is not yet crossed over because this crossover here will only mean a reversal. And the move this month is going to be pretty important because when you look at the candle, this candle, it appears couple of consolidation is done and then now it is should move towards 3, but it is right now struggling to stay lower. The RSI is flat as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and a strategy. And now before I offer you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts 21st of July. Invest in learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries related to the mentorship batch. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel or telegram. Reach out to me for details. And once you have your trades in place, it is important for you to have a safer place to trade. Join the trusted partner. The link is there in the channel and video description. It offers your swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. And yes, zero commissions. And the forex market transfers are also at market rate. Thus, increase your capital, join the trusted partner and enjoy your trading experience. Now let's talk about the levels to buy. Ideally, the level now here at 3.4 is a good entry for us to take a buy position. Expect 3.44 and 3.48. Now, only and only if this level is taken. Now, thus, it is pretty important for natural gas to break 3.8 and beyond 3.8, 3.93 has to be there and $4 is a must. So now if you look at the level, see 3.4, you can buy, but then here it's resistance, here it's resistance. Very, very important for natural gas to break 3.48. Beyond 3.48, ideally 3.6 has to be there and then more bullishness to prevail. This is the most important level, 3.8, which it has to break in order to confirm further bullishness. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.34, expect 3.3, 3.275, 3.24 and 3.2. Once it trades below 3.2, this time I will expect 3.11, 3.05, 3.02, 3. Till here, it has got extremely strong support. Below 3, it's gonna crash sharp. 2.94, 2.8 should be there very soon. I do not expect this, but yes, right now the stance is not so aggressively bullish and it can drop sharp again. Thus, take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a profitable week and a happy weekend. Thank you. See you again on Monday with daily updates. Do what that is. Thank you.